How to find transaction history on Binance. So if you want to do this one, say for example for tax purposes, then here is how you can get this done. Take note that the UI of this one can change without prior notice. So yep, this is how it's done in 2024. First things first, just hover over to your profile and then I want you to click the orders. Now that we are here in the orders, you should be able to see here your transaction history. Go ahead and click that one. Now here, you should be able to see here your transaction history, and if you want to download it, you can just head over here and then click export transaction records. After doing so, you can just go ahead and generate a report, say for example for the past 7 days, past 30 days, past 90 days by year, or you can just customize this one. Say for example, if I were to choose by year, I can just click this one right here and then make sure that all of the accounts and all of the coins have been selected. After doing so, just go ahead and tap the generate button. After tapping on it, you should be able to see this one right here. It says that it's generated, but depending on how much data you have here, it could take up to 3 hours. So once the status is generated, just go ahead and click the download button right here, and then you can go ahead and basically open this one, and it is going to look like this. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have any transaction history here because I don't trade so much. And yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.